Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Solid World. So last time we went with the drawing number 1, that is the L shape. Now today we'll complete the drawings, the 2D drawings in a faster manner. So let's start now. So here's the SolidWorks. Again we'll go to new, we'll select the part, we'll click on OK. So as you can see, the SolidWorks is open now. So we'll go on sketch, we'll select the plane. You can select any of the plane, like I'll go with the front plane, then I'll click on sketch. Here is my plane ready. Again the same procedure, I'll go select center line, I'll click on infinite and I'll make a center line. This is the vertical one and this is the horizontal one. Then I'll click on OK. So my next drawing is it's a rectangle. So you can see its edges are having a radius of 5. So how do I make this? It's very simple. You just need to go on this icon, click on this icon, the rectangle icon. A drop down will open. You can see so many varieties of rectangle. I'll select the center one. So center rectangle, you can see we have to click on center and then we have to click on one of the edges like this. First I'll go click on center, then I'll click on any of the edges, see any of the corners, I'll click. So I'll click here. My rectangle is done. Now I have to give a smart dimension. I'll go here, I'll give a dimension to this rectangle. Say the length is 40. So I'll type here 40 and the breadth is 30. So this is a rectangle. So dimensioning has been done. Now I need a radius like a curve at the corner of the rectangle of radius 5. So how do I make that? So there are various options, you can go for that, but I'll go here. We can select the sketch, fillet or chamfer. Chamfer we won't select because we need a line, but what we need is actually a curve, so which is having a radius of 5. So I'll click on sketch fillet. Then here it is written entities to fillet. Entities to fillet means click on any of the corners. So I'll click on here, I'll click on here, I'll click on here, I'll click on here. So you can see fillet 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what I need to do, I need in the diagram it is shown radius 5. So just I need to enter here 5 and then enter, click OK. So as you can see, we have a rectangle having a length of 40, breadth 30 and the radius of curvature as 5. So this was the sketch. Now I'll go for a new sketch, again part, again then OK. Now again the same procedure. I'll select the front plane, top plane, any plane. You can see this time I'll go with the top plane. I'll click on sketch, I'll go to center line, I'll go for an infinite center line. So this is my first, I'll go to center line, then I'll go for the infinite center line. This would be my horizontal center line and this would be a vertical, this would be a horizontal and that one a vertical center line. So this is done. Now the next part I need to make a rectangle same dimension, but this time we are having chamfering. Chamfering means a slant line making an angle of 45 degree with the vertical and the horizontal. So you have to keep this thing in mind. Now we'll sketch this. Again the same procedure, we'll go to rectangle, we'll select a center rectangle, we'll click on the origin and at any corner of the rectangle I can click. So that is the thing. So this is my rectangle. I need to give a smart dimensioning. For the smart dimensioning, I have clicked on smart dimension, then the length is 40. Okay, and again the breadth would be 30. So same thing, same procedure done. If I'll scroll out, if I can use the scroll button of the mouse, I can zoom in and zoom out. So that is very clear, and that is that everyone can understand. So now I need a chamfer here. So what I'll go and click on this icon. A drop down will open. I'll click on sketch chamfer. Then I can use distance to distance or angle distance. Since we have given an angle, I need to put an angle and distance. I'll use angle and distance. First of all, I'll click here, 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 and here. So all this area I have clicked on. Now I have to fill the distance. So distance would be 5 and enter. So as you can see, the distance is 5, and this is by default dimensioning shown. This is the distance. This is a small distance. It's a by default dimension that has been shown, that 0.9. Otherwise our diagram is finished. So so we have made a rectangle with an angle of 45 and this distance as 5. I can show you this. I click on smart dimension, then I click on this line. I can see this. Okay, so let me go to the figure back. So it is showing 5 cross this. So sometimes what happens, distance might not be correct, and you need to correct it. So it's actually a dimension driven process. So one more thing I can do here is I can go back on sketch. The sketch only, or one thing I can do this, repeat this step like Control Z for everything. Yes. Now again I'll go on the same, the chamfer, sketch chamfer. This is 5 has been given. This is angle 45 degree. I can click on this 5 and click on this and this. Yeah, this time the diagram is pretty clear and the dimensioning is also correct, that is the 5 distance. So yeah, this time everything is clear. So you got my point. Like the second figure, if I need for us for chamfering it, I need to go for sketch chamfer and again chamfer it very easily. Now I'll leave this diagram as an exercise for you people, like you can make this one very easy. I'll go with this one, the protractor. Previously we used to make this protractor. So again I'll go to click on new part, then OK. Sorry. Again I'll click on the front plane, any plane you can select. Okay, this time I'll select the right plane. Then I'll click on sketch, then again I'll go for the center line, infinite center line. I'll click center line, then infinite center line. I'll click on origin, make a vertical center line. Again click on origin, make a horizontal center line, then OK. Now let's go to the figure which we have to draw. So as you can see, the radius is written 15. See, R is 15, and another small radius is 11. Then at an angle of 22, 42, 72 and 40 we have circles. We have the small circles. So yes, so this is an what we need to do is like different angle we need to make different circle. And another thing you can see is the center circle, which is at a distance of 3 from the baseline or the diameter of the semicircle. So first of all we'll make two circles of radius 15 and radius 11. So let's start. So I'll go to circles. I'll click on circles. Sorry, not this one.